Hey, what's up you guys? New video on my main channel. The Creepers of America. Yeah. Took me a second. Sorry. My dog is sitting right here. There's my pink blanket. It's not pink, it's colorful, it's expressive. She wants this dog bone that I have for her. Wonder what they taste like. No, I can't eat it. Do you think I should eat it, Heidi? What do you think? What do you think, Heidi? Do you think I should eat it? Heidi! Okay, let's go over here. Come on. Come here. Oh, okay! Oh, man. Okay. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, what's up, homies? Yeah, I'm just chilling here with my homie. Oh, got it on. Okay. By the way, he's having a dog bone from me. I really want it, so y'all should tell him. Hey, y'all. What's that? What was that? Oh, I see something. Oh, never mind. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. Here's a dog bone, so I think y'all should say, hey, you should give a dog a bone. Ha 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 ha! It's so funny. Ha ha! Hey, so I'm laying on top of him. I know that sounds weird. Yeah, that sounds weird. Probably shouldn't have said that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I see something. I see something. What is that? What is that? That is that. Sorry, I just get a little overdramatic sometimes. Cody knows how that is. That's so funny. Anyways, so I'm gonna go bite his butt until he gives me his dog bone. Peace out. That was awesome. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you for trying to reenact Wonton Sombrero. Mwah. That was underneath her. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do? What would you do if I ate it? Hmm? Okay, you guys are probably getting bored, so I'm gonna go check out my main channel and my new video, Creepers of America. It's pretty funny. Like, I laugh, so, and it takes a lot. Wait, it takes very little for me to laugh, because I laugh at everything, so, well, watch it and tell me what you think about it. And comment and subscribe and tell your friends. Peace out.